Windows 11 users have had enough as the new update has been crashing desktops left and right, turning PCs into useless slabs of metal and plastic. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. A new bug in Explorer.exe has been found that's been wiping out the taskbar, start menu, and desktop folders for some unlucky users. Suddenly, all the options are gone and your PC looks like a blank canvas where nothing is working and you're just there, panicking in frustration and chaos. The problem started with the January update and even some earlier monthly patches affecting PCs with certain apps set to launch at startup. Microsoft hasn't said which apps trigger the crash, leaving users guessing as they scramble to reboot or reset their PCs. Some clever users have been restarting Explorer through Task Manager to survive, but that takes more time and it isn't a long-term fix. The good news? Relief is finally here. Microsoft has rolled out an optional update, patch KB5074105, designed to keep this bug out. Check Windows Update in Settings, and you update your PC now. While optional preview updates can come with their own troubles sometimes, but if your PC is almost useless due to the bug, it won't hurt much to give it a try. Microsoft promises this year they will focus on smoothing out Windows 11's rough edges, fixing bugs, and improving performance. And after this January update, it was much needed. If your desktop options has been disappearing too, grab the update and restore order now. Fingers crossed, 2026 might finally be the year Windows 11 stops driving its users insane. For more updates like these, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.